Montana works through phase 1 of reopening. Restaurants continue to adapt to the circumstances, and they're getting creative. Our Rachel Louise Just spoke with one restaurant that's turning to technology to keep patrons coming in. She joins us now live from Bozeman. Rachel, what can you show us what they're using?
Hi, Ange. Well, the Club Tavern Bar and Grill is using the QR codes to bring their menu to customers without ever having to touch anything, and it couldn't be any easier than use. I'm showing you right now. You just open your phone. You can use an Android or an Apple. You just point it at this QR code, and your phone's going to instantly recognize that there's a QR code. You just press this thing right there, and it'll take you straight to the menu. You just pick your menu items out from there. Like I said, you can use this on an Android or an Apple. It couldn't be any easier, and you won't even need to download any apps to make that happen. Now, the Club Tavern and Grill has been a staple of Bozeman for more than 2 decades, but just like every other restaurant, they were hit hard by the pandemic. They tried printing single-use menus that they recycled afterwards, but the club's extensive menu meant that they had to use a lot of ink. And after going through around 1,000 sheets of paper in a week and countless ink, they had to come up with a more affordable solution.
Long term, we need something a little bit more, scalable, really. So we thought, how can we use technology? We're striving to meet our guests and customers where they're at in terms of comfort level.
Now, Vicklin says that they're not sure exactly how this technology is going to be used even a year from now. They might even give a QR code to each menu item to make ordering things easier. That all just depends on how things change. And since this restaurant, along with every other restaurant in Gallatin County, is only operating at 50% capacity, they're hoping this will bring people in so they can also feel safe while they're ordering their food. Live in Bozeman, Rachel Louise Just, Montana Right Now.